So, I will teach you how to lock your profile using your iPhone. Go to your profile. Tapos, in my profile, as you can see, there is a shield. On your profile, you can see that there is a shield. Click that one and it will indicate that your profile is locked. After, you tap View As, and then you will see how your profile will look like when it's locked from other persons na nangsustalk sa'yo. So, as you can see, lahat ng ito, it will not be seen by other people. Only your name. So, for iPhone users that doesn't have the shield, click the 3 bars on the lower right, and then tap App Language. It will redirect you to iPhone settings, General, Language and Region, and kailangan mo hanapin ang Burmese na language. So, as you can see, walang Burmese language dito. And because of that, go to your Google or internet, click https and facebook.com, go to your profile, settings, language, click or tap language and find Burmese. Ngayon, your profile will be in Burmese language. Don't worry, kasi mamaya we will change it. Go back to your profile, click the 3 bars, and now you can see the shield already. Activate the shield, tap, and go back to your app language. Change from Burmese to English. Now it's English, and you can see already that your profile is already locked. So I hope that this will help you.
And you can now say bye-bye to your stalkers. Thank you for watching.